Dongguan Weimi Hardware Technology Company Limited is specialized in manufacturing CNC machining, milling, turning, stamping metal part. The metal products from Weimi are widely used in furniture, building, kitchen accessories, automobiles, telecommunication devices, electronics, home appliances, medical devices, and other fields. Our vast experience in various industries over the years allow us to become more competitive and create more values for our valuable customers. Dear customers, are you still worried about the problems of searching for suppliers, quality control, logistic transportation safety, and packaging safety? Weimi will provide one-stop service for machining parts, turning parts, milling parts you need, from design, machining, finishing, packing to delivery. Striving continuously to improve ourselves, we ultimately produce better quality products and better quality work systems. Armed with the technical know-how and a keen interest to discover better solutions in order to assist customers promptly and thoughtfully. For many customers, especially for the overseas companies who have purchasing tasks in China for the first time, the cooperation with Weimi even means the increasing credibility of the other suppliers to your company in the future cooperation with other Chinese suppliers, and it will lay the foundation of developing more business in China for your company. As an excellent OEM and ODM manufacturer, Weimi is committed to the highest level of product quality and the most thoughtful service, meeting or exceeding customers' requirements and expectations. You're welcome to consult or negotiate business at any time.